Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fold airplane from a piece of paper like this. That's junk paper, I guess. You can use any paper. What I'm going to do, can you see this? I'm going to fold it in half like this. And now, you want to fold one flap. I'm going to fold this flap up like this. Fold the other flap up like this. And fold this flap up, down, like till it reaches this little point right here. There, and fold the other one. And unfold those. And fold it like this to that crease. See that you want it to be on that crease that you just made. See, it's on those creases. I'm going to refold that. Do it like this. I'm going to fold the lock here. I'm going to fold this thing up right here. I'm going to fold it in half. Something like this. I'm going to fold the wings. Basically, just go to the bottom like this. So it'll just be like this. This is a really awesome paper airplane. Usually I like to fold these little things up a tiny bit. Yeah, it works. Yeah. And why? And please rate, comment, and subscribe.